Welcome to Morph Tech News. Today's top tech headlines coming up. Apple's iPhone SE is getting a major refresh, aiming to attract more users. New Nintendo patents reveal Switch 2 Joy-Con may function like a mouse. Tinder seeks to boost user engagement through AI-powered matching. Amazon Alexa set for a generative AI upgrade to enhance user experience. A new AI-created material promises strength and lightness, reshaping industries. Google Pixel 8 sees significant price drop, making it more accessible for consumers. Bill Gates expresses concern over Intel's declining performance. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on Morph Tech News.